Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something a little different for you. I've been thinking lately about all the ways AI is impacting our lives, and we wanted to share some insights with you. So today we're going to be taking a look at 5 things AI can already do. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1, AI isn't just learning, it's already working. You've seen AI write essays, generate art, even pass the bar exam. But behind the scenes, AI is already working. It's answering customer service calls, writing ad copy, coding websites, diagnosing diseases. We're not waiting for AI to take over. We're already using it. We just don't say it out loud. Number 2, it doesn't get tired or ask for raises. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't eat, it doesn't complain. It runs 24/7 and it learns while it works. In one study, a company replaced its 360 employees with AI and saved $2.5 million in the process. That's the thing about AI. It doesn't need to be paid. It doesn't need benefits. It doesn't need to be managed. It just works. And so it's no wonder why companies are turning to AI to automate more and more tasks. Many workers are being replaced quietly. Their jobs are being done by AI, and nobody even notices. Which brings us to number 3, the disappearing jobs you didn't notice. Copywriters, data analysts, recruiters, translators, even junior programmers. Some of the most in-demand jobs today are being done by AI, and many people don't even realize it. Jobs that used to take days now take seconds, and many people don't even know AI did the work. In fact, you probably interact with AI every day, and you don't even realize it. From the algorithms you see on social media to the voice assistant on your phone, AI is everywhere. It's changing the way we live, work, and play. And the quietest part of all of this is that you don't get replaced by a robot. Get replaced by someone using AI better than you. On to number 4, what can it not do? Creativity, empathy, originality. Even those are under attack. AI can mimic styles, generate art, compose music, hold conversations. The other day I asked an AI to write a 5-minute YouTube script about cats. It was funny, informative, engaging. Then I asked it to make a logo for a company called Awesome Sauce. It came up with 3 concepts in different styles. Then I asked it to write a jingle for a local ice cream shop. This tool is getting better every day. Can't do everything perfectly, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good enough to get hired. That brings us to the final point. What can you do about it? Don't wait to compete against AI. Start working with it. The future belongs to people who know how to use the tools, not fear them. Because in a world run by code, human adaptability is the new superpower. And with that said, let's wrap up today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this one, and we want to thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome mind morsels. You ready for the future? Or do you feel left behind? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching. Keep thinking and stay curious. This has been Mind Morsels.